Hello?
Hello.
Hello, Pauline. It's nice to see you again, Pauline. How are you this morning?
Good.
Good. That's nice to hear. And before this class, what did you do?
Uh,
Hmm,
Eat breakfast.
eat breakfast. So, what's for your breakfast?
Bread.
Ooh, that sounds delicious. Anyway, for today, we will continue with our lesson in English. Ta-da-da-da. This time, Pauline, you are going to read a story. Look at the story. The story, Pauline, is entitled, can you read this one, please?
The fox.
Correct. So, the name of the story is The Fox. Are you afraid of fox?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, let us now read the story. Let's start with picture number one. Look very carefully. What happened here?
The
The, you can do it,
fox
fox. Next.
has a po- po-
Ha, ha, hot.
pot pot.
Very good. So the fox, this one over here, has a hot pot. Hmm. Next to that, look at him. What is he thinking about?
Fish.
Fish. So let's proceed to the second picture. What happened here? Can you read, please?
He she
S- Stands
stand
on.
on log
Next.
and
Okay, that one is, you repeat after teacher, uses.
uses a re
Ro.
rod
Okay,
rod
very good. Okay, so remember the rod. Okay, this one, okay, a fishing rod. So he stands on a log and uses a rod. What is he doing in the picture, Pauline? He,
getting fish.
yes, trying to catch a fish for his hot pot. Now, what happened next? Oh no! Can you read,
Num
please?
number three.
Yeah, number three.
The queen
Fish
fish ha
hops
hops in the river.
Okay. Repeat after teacher. Doesn't.
Doesn't his
Like.
like the
Ra.
river
Can you say
lot
it again?
lot
Rod. Very good. So, when you look at the picture, the fish pops because it doesn't like the fishing rod. Hmm. So, what happened to the fox? Let's read.
Number 4.
Yes, number 4.
The
Oh, wait.
fox,
X. Fox.
fox,
What's next?
pop, pause,
Hops.
pose, hops, to, he, re,
G. G.
ga, ga,
Gets.
get, we, e,
What's the sound of short E?
e,
Very good. So, how do you read it?
he,
Wet.
we,
Yes, it's not wheat, it's wet. Okay? So, the fox hops too. So, what happened to the fox, Pauline?
is wet,
Yes, he gets wet as well. Okay, now for our sight words, there's our new words for you. I want you to say them again. Okay? You repeat after teacher. Stands.
then,
Mm-hmm. Doesn't.
doesn't,
Two.
to,
Gets.
get,
Okay, now it's your turn to read. Okay. Just you. Just you. How do you read this one again?
you,
This one. How do you read this again?
doesn't,
No, no, no. The first word. S. It starts with the letter S. You forgot na? Okay, let's say it again together. Stands.
then,
Yes, this one is doesn't. How do you read this one, Pauline? Can you see it?
doesn't,
Yes,
doesn't,
very good. Next.
do,
And lastly,
er, ga,
g, g, g,
get,
s.
get,
You can do it.
get,
S.
gets.
Very good. Gets. Okay. So that's it for our sight words, Pauline. Now it's time for a review of the short I sound and the short O sound before we proceed to the next vowel sound. Okay? So let's review first what you have learned in our previous class. Okay. So we have blending sound here in it, X, O, ot, O. Okay? So, supposedly you're going to sing this, but I want you to read the words. Okay? So let's start from here. Pauline, you can do
In,
it. What's that?
in,
What's next?
on, y- you,
What's the sound of you?
O.
Okay, good. In, on, and what's the sound of letter N? Right? So you read this
N.
one, under.
Un. Under.
Very good. Can you say the words again? Can you read this one?
In. On. Under.
Very good.
A. Ma. Ma. Mop.
Yes,
In. We. N.
correct. Bin.
A. Pen.
Oops. Short E sound. E.
Pin.
Very good.
On. A. Hot.
And
And.
you know how to read this already. It's a number, remember?
Thick. Log.
Don't forget the S. Logs.
Log.
How do you read this again? It's the same here.
U. U.
The sound of the letter U. Uh,
R.
under.
Under.
Very good. Okay. Next.
And. A. Pot.
Very good. Next.
Big. Fish. In. A. Net.
Yes.
A. Dog. Mm,
What's
on.
next? Yes.
A. Ma. Ma. Ma.
Okay. Don't forget the sound of the letter T.
Ma.
Hmm, is it mop? It's letter T. T, t, t.
Da.
Mat.
Ma.
Yes. Not mop. That's another word. Okay. Next.
Uh. Da. Da.
And
And.
how do you read this again? It's a number.
Six.
6.
Kid.
Oops, with letter S. What's the sound of letter S? So it should be kids. Okay, don't forget the last sound. Next, how do you read this word again, Pauline?
U.
Hmm? Sound of letter U. Uh, uh,
Uh. Uh.
mm, d, d, er.
Re.
Okay, so how do you read it?
Re.
Under.
Under.
Yes, okay, don't
A.
forget.
A.
A,
Ka.
don't forget the sound of letter T. caught.
caught,
Okay, I want you to read this word again because you always forgot how to say the word. Okay, under.
under,
Okay, how do you read the word? Can you read this one?
under,
Very good. Okay, now let us proceed. Okay, by the way, here they are. Ta-da! The kids are under the cot. Now, let us proceed to the next review. Here, listen to teacher and tell me which ones that rhymes. Okay, before that, let's identify what is in the picture, Pauline. Let's start from here. What is this again?
uh, cutter,
Okay, you forgot. It's a pin.
pin,
Yes. How about this one? What is this? It's like a folding table.
cup,
You forgot
cup,
too? We
cup,
have this one in the previous class. Yes, it's a cot. Cot. Okay. What is he trying to do?
dig,
Correct. Remember this? What is this again?
fruit,
Yeah, what kind of fruit? What kind of fruit is this again? Can you still remember?
no,
No, you forgot already. Actually, I also forgot. Hmm. Okay. This one is what we call as fig. Oh, now I remember. What is in the picture again?
pink,
Fig. Yes, and you're correct that a fig is a fruit. Okay, let's continue. By the way, I'm gonna write the word so that you will not forget. Fig. Okay, that's a fig. Now, since you already, okay, identified all the pictures that we have here, a pin, caught, dig, and fig. Which words has the same sound?
dig,
Dig and what's the name of the fruit again? What's the name of the fruit again?
fig,
Correct. Very good, Feline. So the words that rhymes, okay, or has the same sound are dig and fig. Okay. Now let's proceed to number two. First, let's identify what is in the picture. So first, what is this again? You use for
fox,
cleaning. Correct. What animal is this?
fox,
Fox. What is he doing with the balloon?
uh, uh, I forgot,
Okay, I will let you remember. It starts with the letter P. P, P. Okay, can you read this one?
pin,
Pop.
pop,
Yeah, so here the balloon is about to pop. And what do you call the fake hair? Do you
I
remember?
know,
You don't anymore. Okay, I will write it down again. So this one, Pauline, is what you call as wig.
wig,
Wig. Okay, please remember the words. So again, in the second photo or picture, we have mop, fox, pop, and wig. Which words have the same sound?
Mop,
Mop and
pop.
very good, Pauline. So they have the same sound. Let's circle them together. A mop and pop. Now let's proceed to number three. So here, what is he doing?
Sharing.
Hearing? No. Mm,
Naghahalo.
What is naghahalo? Mix.
Mix.
Yes. So the boy is mixing or mix. Next, we have what number is this again?
6.
Okay. And what is the boy doing?
Jungling.
Okay, I think this one is
Hopping.
yes, very good. Hop. Okay, let's write it down here. Hop. And look at the difference. So if we have a small fish, how about the whale? The whale is?
Big.
Okay, correct. So the word is big. Now, again, in the picture, we have mix, six, hop, and big. Which words have the same sound?
Mix.
Mhm.
And
And what number? Okay, what number is it? Is this again? Number?
6.
Okay, very good. So the word mix and six are the word that rhymes. Okay, mix and six. And lastly, here we have number four. Okay, remember what animal is this? Two letters only.
Mock.
No. Okay, can you read that?
Ox.
Very good. So this animal is an ox. Next is opposite of loose. Look at her holding a.
Rice.
Okay. So the answer is this one is win. Win.
Wing.
Yes. And how about this? We have, okay, we will not focus on the bat and the ball. The word is hit. Hit.
It.
Okay. And what do you call this one? Box.
Ba. Hmm?
Box. Okay. Now, which words rhymes or with the same sound?
Mm.
Hmm.
Ox.
Ox and ox and
Win.
are you sure? Do they have the same sound?
No.
No. Okay. It's ox and you can do it.
What?
Very good. Finally, you got it right. So the words ox and box has have the same sound. So we will circle them together. Okay? So we will exclude win and hit. Okay? Because they have a different sound. Now, let us proceed to match and write. Okay, so let's match them and then write the missing letter. Let's start with the first picture. Okay, the girl is feeling
hot,
very good, hot. Okay, so we are going to match them. Ding. What is the missing letter?
uh, uh,
Hot.
A,
Huh? Is it A? Hat as in the one for the head? It's letter
D,
hot. Hot.
hot,
Letter. Okay, teacher will help you. It's letter O. Okay? Letter O. Hot. Okay, that is how you spell the word hot. Now, Pauline, let's proceed to the second picture. Look here. I'm talking about this part of the fish. What is it again?
fin,
Very good. Okay, so let's match the word, the picture to the word. But there's a missing letter. What is the missing letter? What is the missing letter, Pauline?
I,
Very good. So that is how you spell fin. Okay, next, let's have the third picture. Okay, let's see if you remember this. Mm.
coconut,
It's not a coconut. It's not a coconut. Okay. It's actually, okay, let's go
log,
back. Not log. Okay, let's go back for our previous class. Although I know what it is, it's pit, but I want you to see it yourself. Okay? So it's in here, okay, not in this part. Okay, here. Okay. The word is, what is it again? Can you read the
fish,
word? Very good. Not coconut, okay? Not coconut. It's not a coconut. Okay, let's go back to our review this time. Okay, since you know already the word, let's match them. Okay, what's the missing word? Letter.
uh, uh,
What's the missing
I,
letter I? Oops, what happened to my eye? Okay, letter I. That is correct. And lastly, number four. What is it again?
log,
Yes, correct. Now let's go to this part.
he-
What's the
here,
missing? It could be
oh,
yes, log. Or you can also put it here. What's the missing letter? The log. Right? It's the same. Okay. We will continue with our review later after our 5-minute break. See you again later, Pauline. Bye bye. Okay. Oh no. Wait, I'm just gonna stop sharing. See you later. You can drink water now.